Ever cleaned your car and it still looks dirty? Dust in the vents, fingerprints on screens, crumbs hiding everywhere. No matter how hard you try, your interior never feels fully clean. The truth is, most people use the wrong tools for car interiors. Today, I'm showing you the best car interior cleaning kit. Tools that reach hidden dirt, protect your surfaces, and make your car feel brand new again. Stay till the end, because the last tool ties everything together. Let's start with the biggest interior problem: dust in tight spaces, air vents, cup holders, buttons, seams. No cloth can reach them properly. That's where Politiki Car Cleaning Gel shines. You simply knead it, press it into cracks and vents, and slowly pull it out. All the dust and crumbs stick to the gel. Without leaving residue, it's not sticky, smells light and pleasant, and is safe on hard surfaces. Best part? It's reusable until it turns dark. With thousands of positive reviews, this is one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you use it. Tell me in the comments, where does dust hide the most in your car? Next up, quick and easy cleaning. Spills happen, fingerprints happen, and sometimes you just want a fast clean without sprays and towels. The Armor All Wipes Multi-Pack gives you 3 powerful wipes: cleaning wipes for dirt, protectant wipes for UV protection, and glass wipes for streak-free windows. These are perfect for daily maintenance and quick touch-ups. Compared to gels and sprays, wipes save time and still deliver that clean, detailed look. No surprise this kit is a bestseller with a high rating. If this is helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Now let's talk about the most annoying job: cleaning the inside windshield. Reaching corners hurts your back, and streaks never go away. The Astro AI Windshield Cleaner tool fixes that. It has an extendable handle and a rotating head that reaches deep under the dashboard. The microfiber pads absorb moisture and leave no streaks. It's not just for cars. You can use it on home windows, mirrors, and screens too. Once you use this, you'll never clean glass the old way again. Wait till you see the next one. It's the heart of this kit. Next up. This is the main product in the entire kit. The Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant cleans and protects almost every interior surface. Dashboards, leather seats, vinyl, plastic, rubber, even glass, all with one spray. Just spray and wipe. No greasy shine, no slippery feel, only a factory-fresh, natural finish. It removes oils, fingerprints, and grime while adding a protective layer that helps resist dust and fading. Compared to wipes, this gives you deeper cleaning. Compared to single-surface cleaners, it saves time. That's why detailers love it, and why it has tens of thousands of great reviews. Even the best cleaner won't work properly without the right brushes. This soft detailing brush kit is perfect for vents, seams, buttons, dashboards, and tight corners. The bristles are soft enough to avoid scratches, but strong enough to lift hidden dust. Use these with the Chemical Guy's cleaner for deep cleaning or alone for quick dust removal. This is the tool that turns a normal clean into a professional level detail. So here's your best car interior cleaning kit. Politiki Gel for tight spaces. Armor All Wipes for quick cleaning. Astro AI tool for interior glass. Chemical Guy's cleaner for full protection. Detailing brushes for deep detail. Always clean top to bottom. Dust falls down. Which tool would you start with first? Tell me in the comments. Like this video, share it with a car lover. Subscribe for more car care videos. Next up, Best Car Exterior Cleaning Kit. See you in the next one.